internet's still broken a little bit, but I got sick yesterday, and now I'm better. My mom dosed me up a lot, and she fixed me up. So now I can make videos again because I already had 2 videos that were done that has an intro and the outro. And the first one came out yesterday, and the second one is not coming out today. This is actually the 3rd one. So I'm actually doing these videos backwards. Today, this is not gonna be a short video, by the way, because I'm talking. I'm there. But today, I have worked very hard on this, getting this ball done, and as y'all can see, it looks weird. We're not gonna mind that. That's how we're gonna be checking it out. You can actually this thing loads them pretty fast. But that wheel? No. Heck no. I do got another one of these coming out. It's gonna be the medium version, and it's gonna take 72 thrusters, so it's gonna be way bigger. And all that stuff. Well, I still sound sick a little bit, guys. If I do, leave in the comments if I sound sick a little bit. And this is gonna spend. I'm gonna spend 10,000 gold on trying to get all the points I need for this build. So this is next. Wow. And I have another version of this that is very trash because I built it wrong. Because instead of instead of putting the wood inside, the wood is like outside of the thrusters. And that messed up the whole thing. This video is already 4 minutes. So I better make a lot of gold. Oh no, it's breaking the dusters. Oh no, not good. Oh no! Yes, ma'am. Ow, my arm. That is very much not good.
What are you doing anyway?
Make the video. Make it a video.
Make a video. You know, remember why we celebrate Easter, don't you?
No.
You forgot?
Yes.
You forgot what happened on Good Friday, why we celebrate Good Friday.
Yes.
All you need to do is teach you what about Easter do.
Do not fly the map, and I'm going to fly the map again.
When I get your attention, I will discuss it with you. Then we'll talk to you about it when you dismissing and talking about it. Whoa, whatever.
Because I was flying out of the map. No bounce. Not, not good at all. Oh my god. This ball is crazy. It was just like the SDC ball. Yes, I watched the SDC. Buildable YouTuber with a million subscribers. I don't even think any other buildable YouTuber has almost a million subscribers. No, why does it go off to the side? That's not good at all. Hey, one more launch. I'm gonna end the video off. And the next ball is probably not even gonna load that fast. It's gonna be way bigger. Mm. Like, oh, I'm literally gonna click so many doorsters. That y'all won't be able to keep up with how many doorsters I click. What just happened? Like I said, that will be the end of this video. And I got a song coming out in a couple days. So y'all get ready for that official music video. I made a lot of official music video. I have one that's not premiering on YouTube yet. And after like 3 more songs come out, I'm gonna premiere it. I'm gonna premiere it. So that'll be the end of this video.